number.
This was the blizzard in January 1996. Our house in
Again,
Armagh.
another shot coming
17
back to the
inches.
house, the top part of the driveway. As you can see, I'm tired already walking in the snow. So I want to take a film of it because it's historic, the biggest snow New York City and New York State and the metropolitan area had in over 50 years. I wanted to have a little record of it. Now it's time to clean up the cars. Look here, Alison. Amal, wave. There you are. Mal, can you see me?
Huh?
You're wearing my skis jackets, huh? And pants. Uh-oh. There goes the fight. Don't do that, Amal. You might hurt her face.
You're such an actor, Dad.
Don't say bad words. It's going to be recorded on the camera, Alison.
Actor, I said.
What do you say, Alison?
I said, are you sure he's going to do it?
To do what?
Dad?
To plow the driveway? Yeah, I'm sure he is going to. He better. Amal, I'm filming you. Say hi. I'd like to send this film to Lebanon, let them see
Blizzard of
what hardship we have in this country. Move this thing over your face. Down, down, down. Yeah, that's better.
It's still snowing out. This is way more than 16.
Alison, you look beautiful.